Is your Ninja Creami pint looking dry, crumbly, or icy after the first spin? Don't toss it. Just hit respin. Here's when and why to use it. Step 1. Respin if the texture is dry or powdery. Your first cycle might leave the pint looking like shaved ice or crumbs. Respin helps smooth it out by fully incorporating the base. Step 2. Use respin after adding liquid to a too thick base. If the mixture's too dense, add a splash of milk, then run respin. It helps thin and rework the pint into a creamier result. Step 3. Use respin when mix-ins don't blend properly. If your add-ins are stuck at the top or not distributed, respin after a mix-in cycle can help pull them through. Step 4. Don't overuse it. 1 or 2 spins is usually enough. Too many respins can overwork the motor or break down texture. Step 5. Let the pint warm slightly if results don't improve. If respin still gives you a crumbly texture, let the pint sit at room temp for 5 to 10 minutes. Then try again. Respin is your secret weapon for turning almost into perfect. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy respinning.